How to pin location on Google Maps and share. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to pin certain location on Google Maps and share it with your friends, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to Google Maps. So let's say I want this particular street address so that I can send it to my friends to call him over here. So let's say I want to call him right over here. So what I will be doing is just long press on it by after zooming in, and as you can see, when I long press on it, it will automatically pin the particular roadways or location. And if I were to share this, you can simply tap on the share button right over here, and you can also just send them directly via platform which is available over here, such as WhatsApp or Telegram or messages, SMS, Viber. But if you have a specific person to send with a specific or particular application only, then you can just copy this link just like this. And once you copy this link, you can simply open any one of your social media. So in this case, I'm using WhatsApp, and you can simply paste that particular link over here and simply send it just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.